How to add text in Capcut behind the person like this. Add your video to Capcut, then go to text, add text, then enter your text. Make it a little bit bigger so it will be better, and then choose the style that you like. I will choose prefer display. Done. Choose the effect that you like. Take the text all the way to the end of the video and export it. Add the video that you edited. Go to overlay, add overlay. Add the video without the text. Make it as big as the original video. And then go to cutout. Choose remove background. And then wait for the background to be removed. Export it. And here you go. Now you have this video.